I'll show you how I take Carolina's makeup from everyday to party. After skincare, I'll take a lightweight, glowy foundation all over the skin. Then I'll mix my color fluid in Carve with the Sunday Riley C.E.O. Afterglow to create a sheer bronzer. This makes it more velvety and skin-like. Then I'll apply concealer in any areas I want to brighten and lift, blending it in with a damp beauty blender. I'm also mixing my color fluid in Heartist with the moisturizer to sheer it out. My color fluids are also made to be mixed with any product, taking the color Thorn to enhance her beauty marks. And with my eye tone pencil in Intra, I'm sketching out an angled liner. I'm taking the matching shade and setting the liner, and then diffusing the edges. I'm highlighting the lid with a cream shade, then creating a lower lash line wing, adding individual lashes, and going in with a champagne highlighter, strategically on the high points, adding some scattered crystals, and taking my lip tone pencil in Hush all over the lips, creating my favorite custom mix with Heartist and Carve for a neutral nude lip, and adding a gloss on top, intensifying the blush. And that's how I'll transform a natural daytime look to full-on party on Carolina. So beautiful.